guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on Canva. I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create videos for your ad or for your social media, whatever type of video you want to create for your product. You can actually create them using Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If this is your first time coming on my channel, I want you to know that I've done different series of tutorials on Canva, and those tutorials you can actually find them in the playlist I called Canva tutorial right there on my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos like this from me. Let's get into this video. In this video, I'm going to be using Canva on the web. So all you just have to do is just type in your canva.com. The link will be down in the description box for you. You can as well just go to the description box to get the link. So the first thing is create your account. After creating your account, you have yourself logged in if you're just using Canva for the first time. But if you already have Canva, I think that step you don't really need to go through it. All you just have to do is just log into your account. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a design, and my type of design right here is videos. You can see there are a series of designs that you can create. You can see for poster, for YouTube channel art, for birthday, Instagram post, different dimensions that you can actually select from. So I'm going to be going with a video dimension. So just type in video, and then you can actually choose the type of video you want to create. So there are slideshows, there are wedding slideshows, there are different types of YouTube videos you can create, but I'm just going to go with the default video without any other thing attached to it. So it's just going to go with video. After clicking the video, it's going to take you to a new tab where you can have your design, where you have your design, and you can actually create pages. Up here you have new pages, and then you can also delete these pages if you don't need them. And here you can actually adjust this the view. So I can adjust it to 50%, and I can adjust it to about 25, just however I feel it's going to be comfortable for me to work with. So, and also you can actually turn it to a full screen by just clicking on this here. So when I click, I get the full screen. So let's assume that my design is finished, then I can easily just view the design right from here. So, and if I want to exit, I can just take my mouse up here, click on this, or click on the escape button on my laptop keyboard. So let's just do this. So we're back here now. The first thing we're going to do is, okay, we already have a video that we're going to be using for this tutorial. Another good thing about Canva is you get series of templates that you can work with. Let's assume we want to actually work with a template. Let's say you are into the beauty, so you might want to actually go with something that looks like this. So I can easily just select any of those videos and just use it for my design. So let's just go through the templates and look through if there's anything we want to select there. So we might as well just, instead of selecting from the template, let's just create our own video right from the beginning. So the first thing is that I would want to actually create like somewhere I can put text. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right here. Yeah, I'm going to go to elements. Okay, let's just close this up. Elements, and then pick up some of the elements that would be really useful for me. Scroll up. Okay. So yeah, we have different elements that we can work with. So I'm just going to go with this rectangle elements here and create something like this. So I can change the color of this to whatever color I want. Let's just go with yellow. No. Yep, this looks really nice. So yeah. we can use this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my videos. Assuming that I want to use a free video from Canva, I can as well just come here and then select any of this video. You can see I just navigate to videos here, and then I see different ones that I can use. I can use as a background, and I can use as something I can write the text on. So let's assume I want to add a background video, so I can just do this. You can as well just adjust the video however you want. You can increase the size, you can make it larger, you can just adjust it to fit however you want. So I'm just going to, so we have a video, we have on my right I have the video, and on the left I have this element, this rectangle. So I can just click on this play button here to actually preview my video. So I can just do this. See that the video is playing quite alright. So let's just leave here. The other thing we will do for this is that we'll just put on some text to make it actually look like we are doing something meaningful. So you might want to use some combinations already. There are some already made combinations on here, but then we can just go ahead with our own. We can start something like this: my first Canva video. This here. So what we'll do with this that we have is just adjust it to where we want it to be. So we have that right there. You can as well change the font size and the font color. So I click on this one. I'm using this for my font type, and for my text color I'm going to be changing it to different colors, so we see which fit best. But I think I'm still very much okay with the white, because the white seems to come out better than any of these other colors. So I'm just going to go with the white. So we have my first Canva video. So let's just play this video and see how it looks like. So yes, this is how you can actually create videos using Canva. And another thing I'm going to point out is how you can trim the video. Let's assume the video is too big or too long, and you need a video that is not more than 10 seconds. So you can easily just trim by navigating to this scissors symbol here that is having the time for the video. You can just click here and then adjust the video to however you want. So we just need it to be 10 seconds video. Just adjust it to 10 seconds. Yeah, and then we can click on done. So when we play this video now, this video would actually be a 10 seconds long video. So now you guys can see how that works. So of course the video comes with sound. So the sound, you might just want to adjust it to the fullest, or you just adjust it however you want, so that it actually brings out the actual sound of the video. So the next thing I'm going to show you is, what if you're not using a video that is already made, that's within Canva? What if you have your own video that you want to use? That's very easy to do. So you can just navigate to you can just go to uploads. So you have options of uploading images and uploading videos. So you can just select on videos to upload, and you can pick on any of the videos that you've actually bring on board before, or you can click here to the upload video to navigate to videos on your laptop, wherever you have your videos, and then you can actually select a video that you want. For instance, I'm going to be selecting one of my YouTube tutorial videos here. You know, this one I have on Canva. So I'm going to select this one and then just open it here. So I'm uploading. Okay, my video is a bit large, and normally the video size is supposed to be 250 MB. I'm not very sure if I'm not really sure about the sizes of the videos I have here, but let's just look through and see if I have a video that we can use. Okay, let's just use this one. I'm going to open this now. So you can see the video is right here and it's uploading it. Like right now I'm uploading the video, and okay, so I'm done uploading now, so I can click on the video I want and then just adjust it however I want. Remember, click on the video itself and adjust it wherever you want it to be. So we already have a background video, but it won't look good having a background video and then maybe having another video on it like this. So we might just, you know, just want to see how it works. So let's just do this. So we have two videos in this particular project. So we have the background video that we had there, and then we have another video on top. So we can also adjust it and remove this background video and just make our video, the one we imported, to be the main video. So we can just click on here to delete. Just right click and delete the video you have, and then you can just adjust it to fit just how you want it. Okay, I think we're almost there. So you can adjust. What if it's falling out like this and you want to adjust it? You can just write on the video, just go to the top here and position the video backwards. So you have this here, and then we can just adjust this text. You can also have your text written right over the video. Like if you have it written over the video, you might want to actually change the text color, so you have it like this. So if you have it like this, you can just play it and it's just going to be there. However you want the text to be, that is very, very easy to do. So let's just get this back here. Our text is still in color pink. Let's change the text back to white. So we have that. It's so easy to do. Then you can play the video. So yes, this is it. This is the video for, this is how you create videos using Canva. Very easy to do, and it's all free. So you can just download the video while you're done. Just download it from here and voila, your video is ready and it's ready to play. So guys, that's how you actually create videos using Canva. Right now I'm downloading this video on my laptop. You don't really need to have a Canva subscription for you to do this. You can have you can use the free plan just to get this done. It's as easy as that. So now I've downloaded my video, and if I play the video, it's really gonna play very well, and you can upload the video wherever you want to use it. So guys, that's how you create videos on Canva. If you also need more helps in Canva, don't forget to check out all my tutorials on Canva, both mobile and on web. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave in the comment section what other Canva tutorial you would like me to share with you. Thank you guys. Thank you once again for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.